my friendly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina and this is my shopping life. I hope you're having a great day so far because we're back shopping at Costco. Now we're in San Diego today. This is the location right off of Friars Road. We haven't visited this location for some time, so we're going to go inside, see what we can find. Any new items, great deals. It's a great location because it's right next to IKEA, so there is a lot to do in this shopping center. We're going to grab our cart and we're going to go inside and see what we can find. Now, the first thing I see that I haven't seen before is the men's pants. Oh, these are super soft. This is by the brand Cat. This is the Flex Waist Utility Pants. Wow, but the material is really nice. They are a little thick, but the feel of the material, they feel really soft. We have 3 options here. Now, of course, if you cannot find your size here at Costco, look at the number and then double check at Costco.com. Now these are $19.99. They do have the asterisk, so they're only here for a limited time. This is always a great store. It's not as busy as I was expecting. Now, of course, today's Memorial Day. Costco is closed. This was filmed actually on Sunday. We're going to continue on. We found a new trunk, a foldable storage. Oh, I like the idea of this. I think they just brought it out. There's no price, unfortunately, but I will keep my eye out for this item. This is definitely new. Hopefully, I will see these at my local stores. Now, this is about 31 inches, a little over 31 inches wide, 15 inches tall, and then 15 inches deep. The seat weight capacity is 500 pounds. This is a strong trunk. We have another new item. Of course, this is by Shark. The hand vacuum. Now, we have seen this before at Costco, so this is kind of like a returning new item, but they made some improvements to it. There's some more attachments. The last one, I believe, only had 1 attachment. This is very interesting. Again, great for pets. I think it's also great for your car. And, of course, you do have to empty those out quite often. It's got some good weight to it. It's not too heavy. But I like the stand, and the price is the same as it was before. So they've made some changes. It's supposed to be more powerful, 50% more runtime, and it's the same price of $100. That's how much it was the last time it was here. We have some new rugs by Rug & Company, the area rugs. This is about over 5 feet by 7 feet. Oh, it is super soft. Oh, these are really nice. Costco has a lot of great rugs. They really have improved their rugs. The rugs used to be like okay, but the last year they've really brought in some nice ones. That one is about $80. And then we also have some new rugs with a print on here. It feels really soft and velvety. They're really thin. Anti-slip bottom. Okay, that's good. And the size is really decent, over 7 feet, of course, by 10. Yeah, 7 feet, 10 inches by 10 feet, and for $70. That's not a bad price. You have 4 different designs to pick from. They have a good selection. The potted plants, I know these have been really popular. They're really cute. There's actually 2 options. As you can see, this store has a lot, and right now they're actually on sale. My store, I haven't seen these in a couple of weeks now. They actually sold out really quick. So $4 savings, $14.99. That's going to go on until the 9th of June. Here's another new Lego item. The Mercedes AMG. This is definitely a good size box. There's a lot of pieces. Costco always gets some really great Lego items, and of course they always cost less than other stores, $190. That was a pricey one. Now, the electric pressure washer. I wanted to kind of share it because this is how it looks when it's all folded up and put away. So you can see it doesn't take that much space. That's a really nice one. And that was $240. That's the regular price. They do have some new, the power, like the generators. This one is definitely a good size. Now, I'm not a generator expert. I've never used one. The price seems actually pretty decent, $300. Costco does have a good variety when it comes to the generators at different price points, so whichever fits your budget or your needs. And everyone, thank you so much again for coming along to Costco with me today. I'm always so appreciative of all your support. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. It's a small gesture, but it helps out my channel so much. We're going to continue on. Some of the outdoor items are starting to go on clearance, including the solar pathway light. It's a pack of 4, now on clearance for $29.97. They have a lot of them at this store. Now the cage-free egg whites. Now this box, I have seen this box for quite some time. There's 6 16-ounce containers for $10.59. Now here is a new one, the organic egg whites. The box is not as big as the regular egg whites, but honestly I would prefer this one over the regular one because it is organic. You're getting only 4 16-ounce containers versus the other one was 6. This one is $9.99. And let's check out some of the plants. Now, we have seen some of the roses at a lot of stores, but I haven't seen these before. Let me kind of zoom in. Let's see what these are. Okay, they're called the cat palm. And my apologies, my camera is wanting to focus on the leaves. Now, these are $23 over 2 gallons. We have a nice little variety. And as you can see in each pot, some of the foliage is a little different. Those are so pretty because you don't have to repot them. You could just place them wherever you want. I was trying to look for the name of the exact plants are inside just to see which is pet friendly and which is not. This one again, $23. I like the red though. That is super pretty. And of course, I think the prices are great. For that size of a plant in a pot already, that is such a great deal. The caramelized onion premium dip. This is a returning item. It was so good. 32 ounces. My daughter absolutely loves this dip. And it's only $8.99 for that much caramelized dip. And you can use that like on burgers or, you know, for chips. There's so many great uses for this dip. Again, $8.99. Okay, the 3-pack, the angle brooms. You're getting 2 brooms plus the dustpan. Normally this was $9.99. They are now on clearance for $5.97. So you definitely want to look out for those, especially at that price. Okay, if you're needing like plastic forks, knives, and spoons, so this is by the brand Solo. Okay, $500 for $12.99. The forks. Now the spoons, you're getting $500 for $12.99. However, the knives, if you're needing knives, 500 of them for $5.97. I guess this is not their best seller because they are moving the knives out. These were recently on sale. The garlic chicken by Bird's Eye. This is now on clearance. The store only has a few boxes left, but this is a great clearance price, $5.97. So they're moving those out. The Belgian waffles, I don't see this at every Costco. This does come and go, but this is such a great little treat. They're individually wrapped. It's a package of 8, all natural, butter recipe. They're really good. $9.99. Now, of course, the sliced brioche bread is really good. This makes good French toast. So again, you're getting 2 of them for $9.99. And how cute are these t-shirts? It's a set of 4. So we have about 4 options here at Costco. These are super adorable. So the sizes are for toddlers, so 2T up to 5T. Oh, these are so cute. And I always like buying t-shirts like this in bulk for my daughter. Of course, I do miss those days. Now these are only $14.99. And the Step 2 roller coaster. This looks so fun. Ages 3 to 8. There's a lot of them here at the store. And they're on clearance. $197.97. It was normally $300. Even the Greenworks. This is a 17-inch string trimmer. This was recently on sale. And now it's on clearance. I'm trying to remember the sale price. If you remember the sale price, let us know in the comments below. but this is now on clearance for $199.97. So we're going to start to see the garden items move out. And even the garden hose, this is by the brand Orbit, is 100 feet long, heavy duty fabric hose. And this is on clearance now. Wow, there's still a lot of them at this store for $29.97. And even the planters, these were recently on sale as well. They still have a lot. These are about 22 inches round, such a good size. Now, of course, it is resin, and $13.97. That's a really good price because they were normally $19.99 each. And then what do we have over here? This is by Scott's. Oh, the Max Weed and Feed. That's $49.97. And the Preen Garden, the weed preventer. They still have a few of these left. $23.97, 22 pounds. And I really like this set. I only saw this at one other store because there's a couple of different ones. This is the smaller set. It's only 5 pieces. I believe I saw this at the Eastvale store. So you're getting 4 chairs, this little bar area. It even has a little area for your market umbrella right here. It has a cover so it is not in use. You could protect it. The seats are really comfortable. I like the seats. Now I'm trying to find a photo of the other side. Here we go. It has some really good storage. I really do like this set. Again, 5 pieces altogether. It does go home in 4 boxes, but the price, $999.97. Also includes a cover as well. Here's another set. Now this set is not on clearance, but it is on sale. It's a $200 savings right now. You're getting both chairs plus the table and the cushions. Now it looks like there are some items on the table. Of course, those are not included, but it's a $200 savings again. $500, that's going to go on till the 2nd of June. And the orchid leis are at the store. These are so pretty, and congratulations to all the graduates. I know the next couple of weeks there's a lot of graduation ceremonies, and these are just so perfect for them. They're only $19.99, and keep those in a cool place. Now here's a new item. This is from Dr. For Hair. Now there are 2 bottles of shampoo. There's no conditioner with this set. It's supposed to reduce hair loss, and this is for all hair types, and the price is $33.99 for a pack of 2. The Crest Gum Detoxify. Now honestly, I actually use this one. It's a really good price because you're getting 4 of them. Now normally I usually spend about $6.99 for one of them. I do try to find it in bulk when I can, because yeah, $7, that starts to add up. Here you're getting 4 of them for $18.99. And the Mineral SPF 50 for Fun in the Sun by Blue Lizard. I have used this before. I really do like it. I like the caps. A little bit of change since last year. So both of these are $18.99. But I do like this one. It is a mineral sunscreen. And I know we all have our preference when it comes to sunscreen, but the caps are actually really cool because they change color when they're in that harmful UV light. So this is here at home. You can see they're clear. I'm going to kind of walk outside with them. As soon as the sun hits it, you can see the purple. So definitely stay safe out there, especially for this summer. And thank you again, everyone, for coming along to Costco with me today. I'm always so appreciative of all your time. Thank you again for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you later.